Another property of exponents used in algebraic expressions. One of the most outstanding properties of exponents is the one that says, if any term of an algebraic expression is raised at a certain power, all its elements are raised at that power. If any variable of that term is already raised in a certain power, the exponents multiply with each other. In symbols, we have the following shown on screen. For example, we have the following shown on screen. Now, let's see all the properties discussed in this tutorial applied in a single exercise. Example 1. Express the following algebraic expression in the simplest terms. We have the following shown on screen. Solution 1. We obtain the following shown on screen. To ease the classification of like terms, we can underline them with the same kind of line or write them using the same color, as we will see in the following example. This is done only after finishing with power, multiplications, and divisions. Example 2. Express the following algebraic expression in the simplest terms. We have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 6.1.7, and the end of tutorial 6.1. To continue this chapter, please watch 6.2, Introduction to Expanding Brackets. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.